Now that you have your first sub-summary report, there's a couple of ways you can vary it. The first way is by found set. Imagine that you have an invoicing solution and you want to show your product sales by week or by month or by year. It's not 3 sub-summary reports, it's 1 by changing the found set. Whatever you can find on that report will change. So let's try it out. We're going to go over to our form, go into find mode, and we'll search, let's say, last name from C ... to M. That'll find some of our names and we can see what happens here. So we'll go ahead and perform that find. We found 23 records. If we switch over to our report by category, we have the same 23 records found, and then we just have to sort it. So go ahead and sort the records. And the reason we have to sort is because the find broke the sort. Persistent sort only continues to sort when you just modify the data. If you change the found set, it breaks that sort and you have to resort. But if you're just modifying the records in there, adding records or editing records, it'll continue to sort it, but not when you break it with the find. So we'll come in here, the sort's already here, we just hit the sort button. And now you can see we have 21 in the commercial, 1 in government, and 1 in nonprofit, and then 23 total. So that's very handy to be able to change what your report looks like just by doing a find. It's that simple. Now let's go into layout mode. We'll show you a different way to modify your report. We're going to duplicate this layout. We're going to go into Manage Layouts. We're going to go ahead and edit this layout. Call it Report by State. Click OK. We're going to come in here and simply change this to the state field. And then double click on our sub-summary report and organize it by state. There we go. And that's it. That's all we're going to do. Now we can go ahead and view it in browse mode. We do need to sort by a different value. We'll go and sort records. We'll take the category out, move the state in, put it to the top. But that's it. That's how easy it was to make a different report here. Now we have it organized by state. Same summary field, same parts essentially. We just modified them a little bit. It's really quite easy to do this. And you can see if we go down this list, we have all that and then finally the total here. Now, here's another way to modify this report to make it look different. What if you don't want detail? Well, a lot of times you don't. Let's take the body part out. Just click on it, hit delete. All the objects in it will go away. Go back to browse mode. And now you see what you have is a different type of report. One with just the summary data and no detail. And again, if it's not tight enough for you, we just go into layout mode. And we go ahead and move this stuff up a little bit. Just like that. Move this part up, and then we go to browse mode, and that'll put more data on the screen at once. And we could move this field over here. There's a whole lot of things we can do, but this is a basic sub-summary report. But you can see how flexible they are. They're very easy to modify to come up with all different kinds of reports. Use your found sets. Use the body, don't use the body, put a trailing grand summary, and play around with your trailing sub-summaries and leading grand summaries. I'm not going to show you all those, but try them out, and you'll see how they put the information in different places.